In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front armrest on your Nissan Altima. The process for the left side is the same as the right. To remove the armrest, you can use a plastic trim tool and go around and pop up all the clips going around. Or you can take two hands and give it a firm pull straight up. To install the new one, line up all the clips and push it down into place. You'll hear a few clicks and then just give it a little pull up and make sure it's secure.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.